Hi, this is Vanryn. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing part 2 of my vlog. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure to check it out on my Facebook or YouTube channel. Now for part 2, I'll show you how to insert your name into your ID picture, whether it's encoded, handwritten, or with a signature. And yes, we're still using Canva. And make sure to watch closely and learn along the way. So now I'm gonna teach you how to insert your handwritten name with a signature into your ID. First, write your name on a clean white paper, for example, band paper. That's perfect. Now take a photo or scan it and then we'll upload it to Canva. Okay? For example, Scarlet Precious Makabugto. And you should also put your signature above your name. Okay? And then we'll upload this photo into our Canva. Insert a white box under your ID picture and adjust it to fit. Okay. Put it right here and then adjust like that. So it's up to you how you adjust your box. Okay. Replace it into white box. Place your handwritten name on the white box. It's too big, then let's crop it out. Just like that. Then adjust the photo. So as you can see, it still has a background, but we'll remove that with a simple trick. Here's how. Select the image, click the edit, and then click background. So if there's no remover, click adjust and apply these settings. Okay, just follow. Adjust the brightness into 100. Contrast 100. Highlights 100. Shadows negative 100. Whites 100. And then blocks 100. Tap X to exit. And then boom, background removed. Right? So you can pause the video or take a screenshots of the settings. Okay? Simple, right? So here's your encoded name with signature on it. Super nice, right? So next is how to add text or how to encode your name and put it right here. So this one's easier. So of course, delete the photo, go to text, and then add a text box. Right here, type your name, Scarlet Precious Makabugto. Okay, adjust, put it inside the box, adjust again. Okay, that's it. Simple, right? So you have a picture with your name on it. And that's it, guys. If you want more Canva tips or have a tutorial request, comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye!